ABPF. Always best Phoenix Flame. Shenzhen is an international and major city of Guangdong, situated immediately from Hong Kong and Guangzhou. Phoenix Flame Holdings Limited was established in Shenzhen in 1996 to pay attention to the R&D, design, manufacture, and service of garment raw materials and accessories, and to provide solutions to save cost and offer competitive prices. We invested in 5 branch factories in Guangdong to manufacture garment accessories. They are Phoenix Carrying Tapes and Elastic Factory, Phoenix Hygiene Belt Manufacturing Company, Phoenix Earring Plastic and Hardware Button Factory, Phoenix Lawn Handcrafts and Beading Manufacturing Company, Phoenix Linking Lace and Embroidery Factory. We registered our brand called ABPF, Always Best Phoenix Flame, in 1998. The product categories under our brand are belts, TPU mobilin tapes, handcrafts and nail beads, tapes, buttons and buckles, elastics, textile fabrics, laces, and lace band. We also invest in production facilities and training our staff, so that they all have good skills to make high-quality products. From selecting raw materials to finish the goods shipment, we have a good quality control system. For your added assurance, our products are lead, nickel, cadmium, phthalate free and can meet the needle inspection standards. We guarantee that our products are according to the safety regulations and can pass the test by third-party authorities, such as SGS, ITS, and BV. After over 20 years of experience, our business has been extended to Southeast Asia, North America, and Europe. This is made possible by establishing branch offices in Thailand and the Philippines. We now have stable relationships with many customers, such as JCPenney and Taylor Limited, Express, Max, Bridal David, Tommy Hilfiger, Mark O'Polo, C&A, JJILL, H&M, Phoenix Flame Professional Manufacture and Service for Garment Materials and Accessories. We look forward to working with you in the future. Your suggestions are always welcome. ABPF. Always first, always best.